Hi everyone, I'm Doc Ken and welcome to Chapter 6 entitled Muscular System. The muscular system is responsible for the movement of the human body. Attached to the bones of the skeletal system are about 700 named muscles that make up roughly half of a person's body weight. Each of these muscles is a discrete organ constructed of skeletal muscle, blood vessel, tendons, and nerves. Muscle tissue is also found inside of the heart, digestive organs, and blood vessels. In these organs, muscles serve to move substances throughout the body. There are three types of muscles: cardiac muscle, skeletal muscle, and smooth muscle. First, let's talk about cardiac muscle, found only in the heart. Cardiac muscle is responsible for pumping blood throughout the body. Cardiac muscle tissue cannot be controlled consciously, so it is an involuntary muscle, while hormones and signals from the brain adjust the rate of contraction. Cardiac muscle stimulates itself to contract. The natural pacemaker of the heart is made of cardiac muscle tissue that stimulates other cardiac muscle cells to contract. Because of its self-stimulation, cardiac muscle is considered to be autorhythmic. The cardiac muscle is striated like skeletal muscle. Striations indicate that a muscle cell is very strong, unlike smooth muscle. Next in line, skeletal muscle. Skeletal muscle is the only voluntary muscle tissue in the human body. It is controlled consciously. Every physical action that a person consciously performs, such as speaking, walking, or writing, requires skeletal muscle. The function of skeletal muscle is to contract to move parts of the body closer to the bone that the muscle is attached to. Most skeletal muscles are attached to two bones across a joint, so the muscle serves to move parts of those bones closer to each other. And lastly, smooth muscle. Smooth muscle is found inside of organs like the stomach, intestine, and blood vessels. The weakest of all muscle tissues, smooth muscle. Smooth muscle makes organs contract to move substances throughout the organ. Because this muscle is controlled by the unconscious part of the brain, it is known as involuntary muscle. It cannot be directly controlled by the conscious mind. The term smooth muscle is often used to describe a visceral muscle because it has a very smooth, uniform appearance when viewed under a microscope. These muscles are non-striated muscles that contract slowly and rhythmically.